Syrup of carrots, which removes mucus from lungs and stops coughing. In the season of colds and flu, it is very good to have natural medications to help you stop coughing and free your lungs of mucus. Today we present a homemade cough syrup, which is great for children and adults. One of the healthiest vegetables in the world is a carrot. It abounds in antioxidants, and carrot juice is very beneficial for lowering blood pressure and can help prevent diabetes. Many doctors recommend that you drink fresh carrot juice because it contains more nutrients, and our body has many more health benefits from juice. Some of the health benefits of carrots for your health are: it boosts the immune system and prevents heart disease. It lowers cholesterol. It prevents cancer. It prevents acne. It is excellent for skin health. It is rich in calcium. It stimulates digestion. Detoxification of the body. Recipe for a natural cough syrup of carrot. Ingredients: half a kilo of carrots, 3-4 teaspoons of honey, water. Preparation of cough syrup: clean the carrot and cut it into rings. Put it in a bowl and cover it with water. Briefly cook until the carrot is soft. Remove it from the water and mash with a mixer or blender. Leave the water in which the carrots were cooked to cool. Then add the honey and mix everything with carrot puree. Take 3-4 tablespoons of this cough syrup of carrot during the day. You will feel the improvement in 1 to 2 days.